Hello, Aris Collective, Sun, Moon, and Rising. Ako po si James. Welcome po to James Tarot PH. Kamusta po kayo? Diretso na po tayo sa inyong weekly reading for Feb 17 to Feb 23. I-take nyo lang po yung maka-resonate kayo and leave nyo na po yung rest. Huwag nyo na po intindihin yung ibang bagay na hindi tugma sa inyong buhay ngayon. And use your intuition po para makuha nyo yung akmang-akmang messages para sa inyo sa reading. Thank you nga po pala sa mga nag-like, nag-share at saka nag-subscribe, and also sa mga hindi po nag-skip ng ads. Thank you po for your generosity at saka sa inyong support sa ating channel. At the center of your reading, you have the Three of Pentacles. Beautiful. In the area of what you want, you have the Devil. In the area of what you need, you have the Moon card. In the area of your recent past, you have the King of Pentacles. In the area of your near future, you have the Queen of Cups. Lovely. In the area of your obstacle this week, Aries, you have the Death card. In the area of your good fortune, you have the Ten of Swords. Beautiful. In the area of your advice from the Divine, you have the Lovers and the Page of Swords. At ang inyong outcome po this week ay Two of Wands. Beautiful. After something ended, may bagong plan, may bagong pupuntahan ka. So this is really a beautiful reading for you. At the bottom of your deck, you have the Temperance card, Patience. You've been very, very patient for so long. Marami kang pinagdaanan na rin ito mga nakaraang buwan o taon. I'm seeing someone who's very workaholic, trabaho ng trabaho, and then you're not getting the result na gustong-gusto mo, o pag-angat ng sweldo, pag-angat ng posisyon. I'm hearing na marami ka nang ginawa. You went through a lot of different works, and then hanggang ngayon iniisip mo pa rin paano yung family mo, paano yung ipon mo. So you've been working so hard, and I'm seeing ang maganda dito, you are guided by Archangel Michael, and that I'm seeing also a manifestation coming, since yung kung ano yung nasa isip niya umappear doon sa bundok. Meaning, yung minamanifest niya ay na lumabas sa reality. So, this is a card of a great manifestation. So, hopefully, within few weeks or few days from now, kung ano man yung tinatrabaho mo, magkakaroon na yan ng result, magkakaroon na ng answer, o ng update, and I'm seeing approval from someone, an email of approval. So, watch out for your emails or text messages or chats, kasi merong approval na paparating for you, Aries. At the center of your reading, simulan na natin, you have the Three of Pentacles. You working with other people. I'm seeing na yung trabaho mo o yung lugar ng pinakakaabalahan mo ngayon kung saan ka lagi busy at nagpapakahirap for many years ay maraming tao, maraming people na kailangan mo pakisamahan, people na kailangan mong ma-impress sa'yo, o kailangan mong laging magawa yung task at hand. Because I'm feeling marami rin competition dyan sa area ninyo. Parang who's who, di ba? Parang marami dyan gusto rin umangat sa trabaho, o gusto rin magpabida o magpabibo. So, ikaw gumagamay ka lang, nakikisama ka. I'm seeing you doing your job kahit maraming toxic o maraming iba't ibang klase ng workmates dyan sa work mo. I'm seeing you doing your job, seeing you being busy. Ayaw mo na rin minsan mangialam sa mga chismis with other workmates. But I'm seeing you doing well in your work. Kahit nakakapagod, parang ayaw mo ring iwan, kasi I'm seeing you okay naman ang sweldo, ang hirap mag-risk, 'di ba? Ang hirap iwan 'yan at maghanap ng iba kasi hindi ka sure kung meron pa sa iba. So, I'm seeing you really working so hard dito sa job na ito, kasi ito yung talagang stable sa ngayon, 'di ba? So, the Three of Pentacles being clarified by the Four of Swords. Yes, parang gustong-gusto mo na magpahinga. Kasi Four of Swords is about resting, it's about taking a halt o pahinga o kahit space man lang. I'm seeing you na pagod ka na sa trabahong ito. Gawa ka ng gawa pero you're not seeing the results, or you're not seeing na paggalaw o pag-elevate o pag-akyat. And parang habang tumatagal, hindi na sakto yung kinikita mo for this job. So, gusto mo na lang sanang iba, pero nahihirapan kang mag-take risk. And pinagpasa-adjust mo na lang. Four of Swords kasi it's about really taking your prayers to the above. Parang minsan dinadasal mo lang sa taas na matupad o mag-elevate o magbago yung tadhana mo, because at this point parang wala ka naiisip na ibang ways kung paano ka aalis dito o paano ka makakahanap ng mas maganda, di ba? Parang stuck ka dito sa isang workplace na ito o sa ginagawa mo na ito. You want something else. I'm seeing you, parang gusto mo rin naman magpahinga for others, for other areas. Parang gusto mo magpahinga muna saglit o take a break o masyado ka ng pagod, you're overworked and underpaid. No, I'm seeing that. So that is your, the heart of your center. And you're working so hard there. In the area of your conscious and subconscious, in the position of what you want the devil card. You want makawala dito sa mga chains na to. I'm seeing you being tormented or merong someone in your area, whether family member or workmate o someone in authority na masyadong toxic o masyadong kang nahihirapan, na-stress ka na masyado sa job, ang gusto mo na mawala itong taong ito o itong sitwasyon na ito sa trabaho na ang hirap. I'm seeing na hindi nahihirapan ka magdesisyon to go out of it or to let go of this kasi parang walang ways to let go of this, 'di ba? Parang iiwan ko ba to? Ito lang yung trabahong meron ako o aalis ba ako dito? Ito lang naman yung bahay ko, parang ganoon. So hindi ka makaalis sa sitwasyon because wala ka rin ng ibang options. Pero itong taong ito o itong sitwasyon na to nagpapahirap sa'yo, kumakadena sa'yo sa mga bagay-bagay, nagbibigay sa'yo ng stress and problems, and you're wishing na sana mawala na ito, mawala na yung stress, mawala na yung mga problema. I'm also seeing someone having problems with their neighbors or relatives na nagbibigay sa'yo ng labis-labis sa stress. So the devil card is being clarified by the Ten of Swords. Yes, gusto mo nang matapos. Ten of Swords, 2 beses lumabas. Pero ito magkaiba ang kanilang reading dito saka dito. So, pag-usapan nito mamaya kasi nasa era siya ng good fortune. So, wait natin yan. So, since Ten of Swords is about really at the end, para ito na yung rurok ng lahat na to. Masyado ka ng nasaktan, masyado ka ng nabubulabog nitong taong ito o I'm seeing also someone na gusto na mag-stop sa bisyo, alak, sigarilyo or anything, and marami kang impluwensya na gusto mo nang itigil yung connection mo sa kanila. So that is basically what you want, whether boss or dating kabarkado o may impluwensyang workmate or whether family members na toxic na sa'yo, gusto mo nang maputol yung connection sa kanila at gusto mo nang matapos yung paghihirap mo with their influence. In the area of what you need the moon. Kailangan mo daw magtiwala sa tamang oras, tamang panahon, kung paano masolve itong problema mong ito. Because the moon is really about you walking into this journey na walang araw, 'di ba? Moon lang ang kanyang tanglaw no. So maraming uncertainties, marami kang hindi mo alam paano ka makakarating to sa end point. But the moon really discusses about trusting yourself and trusting to the divine power na sige, dadaanan ko lang to, susundin ko lang to, magkitiwala ako sa Diyos, magkitiwala ako sa sarili ko. So it's also about you wag mo munang isipin yung mga bagay na walang sagot sa ngayon, yung parang walang kasiguraduhan, hindi mo alam kung paano mo isosolve. Trust in yourself that the answers will come to you at the right time. So importante sa the moon ay pagkatiwalaan mo yung panahon, ang Diyos at ang sarili mo. Okay? So the moon is being clarified by the Knight of Swords. See, darating din daw ang sagot. With the Knight of Swords kasi mabilisan yan mabilis na darating. Quick action, quick decisions. So just go with the things na nararamdaman mo sa sarili mo na dapat mong gawin. Sometimes you don't need a deeper plan or a deeper understanding on things. Minsan kung ano yung nararamdaman mo, gagawin mo siya kahit hindi mo masyado naiintindihan with the moon o hindi mo masyado nag-grasp yung buong sitwasyon, pero ramdam mo sa loob mo na yun ang dapat mong gawin. So go for it. Yun ang sinasabi sa'yo dito ng iyong spirit guides. Go with what you feel and what your gut feel nararamdaman mo, no? Yun, pumunta ka daw doon, head onto that because dadaling ka niya sa tamang path. Okay? In the recent past, you have the King of Pentacles. You've been very busy with trabaho, kita, ipon. I'm seeing someone nagpapaaral ng anak o nagpapatayo ng bahay o gusto bumili ng lote. I'm also seeing someone nagka-try makabenta ng bahay, condo, or any property na talagang it takes time para makahanap ng right buyer or right customer, right client. Puro bisita-bisita lang sa area pero wala namang bumibili talaga. So, I'm seeing you really doubling time sa araw-araw. Trabaho ka ng trabaho. You're good at your job. You're very good at your job kasi masyado kang pasensyoso. You are very masipag. You're very ambitious, Aries. As an Aries, very ambitious ka. You're very competitive. You're very eager. Madiskarte ka, matyaga ka. So, I'm seeing you really working so hard in the past. And King of Pentacles being clarified by the Tower. Something happened there. Probably, may nangyari sa negosyo o may nangyari sa trabaho na biglang nagbago lahat. I'm seeing you hindi kumita or merong pagkapalit ng boss o pagkapalit ng pwestuhan nyo sa inyong workmates. But something changed there sa iyong mga tinatrabaho. Going strong na sana gumugulong na pero there's a tower moment happened there. At dito nagkaroon ka ng eagerness to do more. Pero parang kailangan mo ng pahinga. So probably kailangan mo ng double quota o merong tasks na sobrang hirap gawin at nagulo talaga yung sistema mo o nagulo yung dynamics nyo sa trabaho. If it's about a negosyo, probably ngayon merong nagkaroon kayo ng problema sa negosyo at that time that changes everything. Kaya dito talagang mobile time ka, talagang kayod-kayod hanggang sa nangangailangan ka na rin ng pahinga. But in the near future, Aries, you have the Queen of Cups. Queen of Cups is all about putting your whole heart on something. May darating sa'yo, Aries, in the near future, something that you will be very, very happy na aalagaan mo, ina-nurture mo. I'm seeing kung ano man tong changes, halimbawa sa negosyo. And may pagbabago kang gagawin with the other people and you're gonna surrender the control. Merong good changes na darating sa negosyo mo, mas lalago o magkakaroon ka ng new strategies kung paano mo ma-address yung mga changes na dapat mo ma-adapt in order for you to address din yung mga dapat ayusin so that dumago palalo yung negosyo mo at hindi bumaba. For others sa work, I'm seeing you focusing more on your job. Hindi ka na muna makikinig sa ibang tao. You have this ability na parang, okay, bahala kayo dyan, itong gagawin ko. So, there will be a lot of time you nurturing something. May darating sa'yo na in-nurture mo. Naaalagaan mo mabuti at doon nakafocus yung buong atensyon at oras mo. So, whether a new job opportunity or a new endeavor, I'm seeing you're having a new car, aalagaan mo at aayusin mo lagi at protektahan mo. I'm seeing that. Or a new sideline. I'm seeing kasi sobrang focus niya doon sa parang napanulunan niya you're gonna win something at doon nakafocus yung oras at panahon mo para lumago siya at lumabong siya. So the Queen of Cups being clarified, wow, by the King of Pentacles. Yes, kaperahan nga ito. It's really about you being practical and really focusing sa paglago. Dalawang beses was pala yung King of Pentacles. It's really about kung ano yung, oh my God, ngayon lumabas sa akin, kung ano yung nawala before na dahil sa tower moment na yan, babalik siya sa'yo. And you will be very, very happy now kasi alam mo na kung anong gagawin mo para yun nangyari in the past, hindi na mangyari ngayon. Wow, that is a beautiful, beautiful circling back, restoring whatever na nawala, babalik sa'yo at makukuha mo siya ulit. I'm seeing someone na may utang, yung utang sa'yo, and now makukuha mo na yung perang nakuha sa'yo. And mare-restore mo yung mga nawala. And you'll be very, very happy with this one. And now, magiging mas alert ka na, mas attentive ka na, mas gagawin mo na lahat para hindi mawala sa'yo to. So, congratulations, Aries, in the near future. Your challenge this week, Aries, huwag pangilagan. Death card, ay transformation. Something is brewing, something is changing. Pwede rin sa'yo ito, sa sarili mo. Parang ayaw mo na ng mga old habits mo, ayaw mo na ng mga old ways on doing things. Now, parang nag-iisip ka na, okay, paano ko ba ito babaguhin? Anong dapat kong gawin? So, ang challenge sa'yo ay do not resist change. Huwag mong puwersahin ang sarili mo na ayaw mong gawin o ayaw mong i-welcome yung pagbabago. Kung sa trabaho man yan, kung may mga bagong salta sa trabaho, I'm seeing that you looking at the door and maraming pumapasok na mga bagong workers and ang daming bagong pagbabago sa job mo and you're like, paano ba to? Nahihirapan ka. So, for you to not feel stressed out and hindi ka mahirapan, accept the change, just go with the flow with the Temperance card. Temperance card kasi is about just going with the flow, with the harmony. So, accept mo yung change so that harmony will come to you very easily this week, okay? The Death card is being clarified by the Knight of Pentacles. Yes, magdahan-dahan ka lang daw muna with this change. Huwag mong pwersahin ang sarili mo in battling head on yung mga pagbabago na darating sa'yo. One step at a time, plan it one step at a time. Take a halt for a moment. Pag-isipan mo mabuti. Take your time para mag-sink in to mga changes na mangyayari sa'yo. I'm seeing positive changes. I'm seeing someone getting a new material thing, pwedeng a new house or a new job. I'm seeing something new will come to you na medyo ma-overwhelm ka with the changes in your life. And the spirit guides are telling you to just relax, let this sink in, study it first bago ka gumawa ng hakbang with the Knight of Pentacles. It is a brand new beginning and a brand new transformation na kailangan mong i-embrace because the possibilities are endless with these changes. So para tayo sa iyong area of fortune, you have the Ten of Swords. Tapos na daw yung paghihirap mo since sa fortune siya. This Ten of Swords is about ending. It's about a brutal end actually. Siya ang original meaning nito, brutal ending to. Yung parang lahat na natusok na sa'yo, lahat ng swords. Wala nang hihigit pa dyan, narurok na siya. But since sa area siya ng good fortune, ibig sabihin, tapos na yung paghihirap, tapos na yung torture, tapos na yung paglala ng sitwasyon, unti-unti na mag-unfold yan into something new, something else. You're transforming. And you need to plan this out sa pag-transform mo na ito and you will see na unti-unti nang gagaan yan. New things will come to you. So embrace new things, embrace new people in your life, a new endeavor, new opportunity. So tapos na ang paghihirap, Aries. So, the Ten of Swords being clarified by the Three of Wands. Yes. After mo matapos itong paghihirap na to, babangon ka and your ships will come in and move you forward. Ang Three of Wands kasi parang go signal yan green na yung signal sa stoplight. Sabihin, go ka na. May darating sa'yo na magandang opportunity or a new sideline. I'm saying for others, I'm seeing an email at makikita mo, okay, may bago akong sideline o bagong trabaho. Go ka na. I'm seeing for others, mga seaman, so makakita ka na ng balita sa in-applyan mo and makakasakay ka na ng barko and go forward. Others getting the approval abroad or visa or a new job order abroad. So pagkatapos ng mga pinagdaanan mo hirap with all this papeles and all, lalarga ka na since sa good fortune siya. So congratulations, Aries. Good fortune. In the area of your advice from the divine, you have the Lovers and the Page of Swords. Lovers is, for others, it's all about the one you love, yung inyo pong special someone. So sabi dito, you have to be open with communication with the people that you love. Siguro may mga times in the past na medyo nakakalabuan kayo o hindi kayo magkaunawaan. So make sure that namimend mo yung relationship mo with your loved ones. Hindi lang to basta sa lover, pwede rin sa magulang mo o sa mga kapatid mo o sa malayong kamag-anak na nakaalitan mo in the past or sa iyong mga close friends or close co-workers. It's about you having this open communication with the people that you love. Communicate with them. Make sure that you're listening rather than just imposing your rights or kung ano yung opinion mo. Also have that, make space for listening to and understanding. But for others, I'm seeing this kasi Lovers is also about choice. Kung ano daw yung choice mo, make sure na pag-aralan mo siya. Make sure na you're gonna go for it. Kahit minsan hindi ka handa, pero you can also learn as you go Yun yung Page of Swords Lalaban siya, pero habang lumalaban siya, pinag-aaralan niya. At natututo siya habang lumalaon siya doon sa pag-aaral niyang yun. So, kung ano po itong choice niyo, whether a new job or going back to school or having this new opportunity or gusto mo magnegosyo, make sure that itong choice mo, pag-aaralan mo mabuti and hindi ka hihinto to learn so that maalagaan mo tong choice mo na ito. Okay? So, the Lovers is being clarified by the Two of Pentacles. Yeah, i-balance mo daw kung ano yung mga gusto mo, mamili ka. Hindi pwedeng gusto mo lahat. Kailangan matuto ka kung paano panghahawakan yung mga bagay na importante sa'yo. So, the Page of Swords being clarified by the Chariot. Yes, moving forward kahit hindi ka sigurado o kahit na marami ka pa rin hindi fully known. Hindi mo kailangan maging expert to do something. That's what I'm hearing. Hindi mo kailangan maging expert to do something. You just have to be resilient and open to learning at makukuha mo taandar ka, Aries. So bago tayo puntahan itong outcome mo na 2 of Wands na napakaganda, plan and travel, let's have additional messages from the Divine. First, we have number 13. Convertin nyo po ang 13 or any number of significance. This is definitely a message for you. Kung nakakita po kayo ng pusa anywhere, pictures, personal, o napag-usapan ninyo, cat spirit is definitely a message for you. Claim your independence. Yes. The choice is yours with this balance and with this choosing to work on the things na pinili mo. So, aandar ka na so that independence is yours. Another message is be bold and make the first move. Oh wow, pasok yan dito sa iyong ending and a new beginning. So, move forward ka na. You have to make the first move daw. Another message is embracing enthusiasm. Shout to the heavens with happiness. Yes, there are a lot of things na darating sa life mo now. Nasa bagong simula ka ng life. So, may transformation ka. So, embrace the enthusiasm. Huwag kang pangilagan o huwag kang matakot sa pagbabago na darating sa'yo sa life mo. Be optimistic, be hopeful na may mga bagong paparating. There are a lot of good possibilities for you. So shout to the heavens with happiness, with gratitude. Pray hard, thank God for everything na bagong simula ang darating sa'yo. Okay? So ang outcome mo is 2 of Wands. I'm seeing you planning ahead. After this death, 10 of Swords and a transformation with a death card and you deciding to move forward, meron ka namang bubuong plano. I'm seeing someone traveling sa bagong job order o bagong place na gusto mong puntahan. I'm also seeing you planning ahead. You taking your fate and your destiny in your own hands. So the 2 of Wands being clarified by the Temperance card. Wow, dalawang beses lumabas ang Temperance. Archangel Michael is protecting you and giving you everything that you need para magawa mo yung mga bagay na gusto mong gawin in the future. So, make sure that when you're planning, pagplanuhan mo ito mabuti, huwag kang magmadali, hinay-hinay lang because Temperance is about doing things dahan-dahan, in motion, going with the flow at huwag magmamadali. So, everything that you're gonna plan ahead in the future, Aries, ay pag-isipan mo mabuti, hindi mo kailangang magmadali. I'm hearing you have enough time to really craft and mold and develop these new plans na gagawin mo in the future. So, good luck with your transformation. At kung saan ka pamunta with the 3 of Wands, kung ano yung plano mo, this is a divinely orchestrated plan and you are guided by Archangel Michael. So, congratulations to you, Aries. So, that is your weekly reading for Feb 17 to 23. Kung saan po kayo naka-resonate, please comment down below and I'll be reading your messages. Thank you again for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thank you again for not skipping the ads. Maraming salamat po sa inyong generosity. See you again next time for your weekly reading. This has been James for James Tarot PH. God bless everybody.